A while ago, I said I may have something coming up about nothing. Now, while it looks like there's something on my desk, inside this box is in fact nothing. That is the Nothing Phone 3A. A huge thanks to JerryRigEverything for sending me this phone. There's a funny story involving ice cream leading to me getting this phone. Either way, you should check out his channel because he posts a lot of great videos and does some awesome stuff. Opening up the Nothing Phone, we have a nice inner box with a minimalist texture of the outside packaging. And flipping open the box like a little book reveals a nice welcome message from the Nothing team. I'll let you pause if you want to read. Now that we're right side up again, we can go ahead and take the Nothing Phone out and put it aside for a moment to check out the other goodies it's shipped with. We have a non-braided 1 meter USB C-to-C cable with the Nothing logo branded on both ends. That's about 5 Costco hot dogs, or 12 closed tape measures for everyone living in America. We'll open up the box some more to reveal a neat looking clear SIM removal tool. The last thing we have here is a small instruction pamphlet that's too big for most people to read after scrolling TikToks on their phone all day. We'll put the box to the side and have a look at the Nothing Phone again. First impressions, it looks and feels really nice. It has a glass back with decorative bits resembling the ribbon cables and other components you would find in most smartphones. I'll let you have a quick look at the back. The sides are made of plastic all the way around, with metal buttons, a microphone hole on the top and bottom, a USB-C port, and a speaker grill at the bottom, and a not so offensive camera bump on the back. I'll go ahead and boot up the Nothing Phone, which is rocking Nothing OS, Nothing's custom skin for Android, which is supposed to simplify the user experience and keep us off our phones for longer to enjoy things like going outside and touching grass. I'll show off the detail on the back side again. The Nothing Phone has 3 LED accent lights on the back, which can be customized for notifications, playing music, or be used to turn heads when you're out and about. This phone is truly unique, and I'm going to spend the next little while playing around with it. Let me know if you want to see a review, and thanks again to JerryRigEverything for sending this to me. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you later. Peace.